All right, so let's use substitution of x equals 5 sine of theta, where theta is between 0 and pi over 2, just means it's our first quadrant, so it's going to be positive, to express the square root of 25 minus x squared. So we get the square root of 25 minus x squared, but we know x is what? Well, I didn't ask, but at the beginning there, could I have taken the square root of the 25 and the x squared?
Yes. Oh, wait, no.
Why not? There's a minus sign in between them, right? So you can't do that. So when we substituted in our x was 5 sine of theta, what can we do now? Can I go ahead and do the square? So we get square root of 25 minus, what's 5 sine times 5 sine? 25 sine squared, right? Well, can I take the square root of both of those and bring it out? No, still got the minus sign, right? So the only way I can take it out of a radical is if they're being multiplied. So I've got to try to rewrite this somehow so where things being multiplied, no plus or minus signs. Well, don't worry about the radical at this point. Just look what's underneath it. What can we do to 25 minus 25 sine squared? I can't subtract it. What? I could divide by 5. Divide by 25. What's that called? Common factor, right? So let's common factor out of 25. So I got the square root of 25 times 1 minus sine squared. Well, I can take the square root of the 25 now since it's being multiplied, but the 1 minus sine squared is still stuck because it's still got a minus sign. So I'm just going to wait on the 25. What's 1 minus sine squared? Alright, so we had square root of 25 times cosine squared. Now can I take the square root? I don't have any plus or minus sign, so now I can. So what's the square root of 25 cosine squared? 5 cosine of theta.